Hey guys, happy Thursday. I feel very happy right now because I have a globe next to me. It's very exciting. And now I forgot what I was going to say because I got so excited. Anyways, a couple of things. First, please make sure you guys remember to come to your book club meetings today. There's one at 1, 1:30, and 2. You must come. Okay, these are mandatory. It's not like a fun Zoom call that maybe I'm going to go to or not. You gotta go. Okay, so you will be getting credit for showing up and discussing the book. So I want to make sure y'all are reading it. Make sure you have those questions answered that I posted yesterday on Google Classroom. So go ahead and make sure you do that Google slide so that you're prepared before your meeting. It is due before the meeting. So I put that time at either 1, 1:30, or 2, dependent on what your book club meeting time is. Okay. Secondly, I wanted to share a Devo that I was reading. And it comes from 1 Timothy 2:2. And it says, "Pray this way for kings and all who are in authority so that we can live peacefully and quiet lives marked by godliness and dignity." And the Devo basically, I'm not going to read you the whole thing, but it talks about how our prayer has power. You guys, when you're talking to God, you have so much power. Just in the fact that he listens to you and he wants to communicate with you and talk to you. And so your prayers have power and they are important. And just where we're at in the world, there's a lot that scientists and world leaders are trying to figure out. I know it's stuff that you guys, they're making decisions that impact you guys. This whole distance learning was a decision, when we're going to open up restaurants and swimming pools and parks and all that stuff, are decisions that are being made by our leaders, both here locally, over our whole country, and over the world. And so I just want to encourage you guys today to be praying for our leaders, be praying for the scientists who are trying to find a vaccine. Just encourage you to be praying for wisdom for them. And know that I am praying for you guys and that I miss you. And that I look forward to seeing you today, all of you, on Zoom. And yeah, so anyways, I miss you guys. Pray that the Lord would bless you today and that you would have a wonderful day. It's sunny outside, so make sure you get outside. Don't stay in front of your computer all day. That's boring. But do stay in front of your computer at either 1, 1:30, or 2. All right. Bye, guys.